I have a quick question for you. If you were forced to pick one car care product and you were restricted to using that single product for the rest of your life, what would you choose? For me, that answer is simple. The ceramic glass coating by Cerakote is an absolute game changer when it comes to both aesthetics and functionality. This newly improved product brings out a level of clarity that is unlike anything else on the market. Not only will it help improve visibility in all 4 seasons, but your windshield will stay cleaner longer due to its extreme hydrophobic properties. Or in other words, how effectively the windshield sheds water and repels contaminants. I can't wait to show you how well this product performs, but first, let's go over how to apply it. Of course, step 1 is giving the windshield a good wash with some soap and water. And if you have any water spots, this would be a great time to remove them with your favorite water spot removal product. After the windshield is washed, you can even take it one step further by clay barring the windshield, because the more contaminants you can remove from the glass, the stronger the bond will be. But if you don't have a clay bar handy, don't worry. A simple wipe down with a streak-free glass cleaner will work just fine. Now, even though the ceramic glass coating is only for the exterior surface, don't forget to use the glass cleaner on the inside surfaces of the windshield to give you the clearest view possible. Once the windshields are 100% clean and dry, the next step is to pull your vehicle into the garage or really any shady spot with good ventilation. Ideally, you want to be in that 60 to 75 degree Fahrenheit range to maximize the working time of the product. Put on the included pair of gloves and open up your first wipe packet. I typically do half of the windshield at a time, working in a crosshatch pattern with 50% overlap to ensure even coverage. Now, depending on your temperature and humidity, it could take up to 5 minutes for the coating to set up, or it could set up in as little as 1 minute. So while setting a 5-minute timer is a good practice, it is imperative that you still keep a close eye on it, watching out for this visual cue. See how the coating is now fully beaded up? That right there is your sign to grab the included microfiber towel and start wiping off the coating. The first pass will level off the coating, and then you can flip the microfiber over to fully buff the glass until it is extremely clear and slick. And pro tip, you can even apply it to the windshield wiper blades to add another layer of slickness and extend the life of the coating even longer. Once your vehicle's windshield is fully coated, wait a minimum of 2 hours before driving or exposing it to any kind of moisture. And most importantly, wait a minimum of 24 hours before washing the vehicle or using your windshield wipers. And in case you're wondering, you can absolutely still use your vehicle's wiper fluid after it's fully cured. So I will see you back here tomorrow and show you how well the product performs. See how the water forms tight and well-defined droplets that easily rolls off the surface? That is due to the protective barrier that Cerakote's true ceramic technology creates. While it's raining, a lot of the dirt and dust that you accumulate while driving can be easily picked up and taken away within those water droplets. This not only can help improve visibility while driving in the rain, but also makes routine car washes faster and easier than ever. I don't know about you, but I absolutely hate cleaning off sun-baked bird droppings, and with how slick this product is, they literally just rinse right off. And in case you're wondering, with the amount of glass that this Tesla has, it took 2 full Cerakote ceramic glass coat kits to cover the windshield from front to back as well as the side windows. You can find the glass coat link below as well as the other family of products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.